We are at Albert Library with Karen from Funda Kunye, as well as the principals of 20 ECDs from Helpay, in Mazabayetu and Hamburg. We finished our talk about fire safety, fire awareness, and also practical use of fire extinguishers. It's very important that fire extinguishers are available in the community at the ECDs for immediate use in case of fire. We are today donating 20 fire extinguishers as well as 20 first aid kits to the ECDs. We are also donating our support. So we will now form a WhatsApp group with all of you, and we will support you with filling the fire extinguishers, coming to your places, helping with fire hazards, making sure everything is safe.
So how was the program today?
It was extremely interesting. I've learned a lot as well. And I learned also more how to use the fire extinguisher. And I can also go and teach my children also maybe how to use the fire extinguisher at home as well.
Thank you so much, guys.